If you're thinking about using inFlow for your business, there are a few things you should know before committing. inFlow is a powerful inventory management software, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it's the right choice for your needs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what inFlow can do and how it compares to alternatives, so you can make an informed decision. Now let's dive into the first thing you should know before buying inFlow. It's not just for small businesses. While it's marketed as an inventory management tool for SMBs, inFlow also scales well for larger operations. It offers features like multi-location support, reporting, and the ability to track large product inventories. However, if you're running a massive enterprise or need advanced features like full-blown ERP integration, inFlow might not be the best fit for you. Competitors like TradeGecko or NetSuite might offer more extensive solutions for those at that scale. Next thing, inFlow's pricing structure is worth noting. Unlike some competitors that charge based on the number of users, inFlow's pricing is tiered based on features. This can be beneficial if you're looking for specific functionality without paying for a full suite of tools. They also offer a free trial, so you can test the software and see if it fits your needs. But be aware that some of the more advanced features, like multi-location tracking and custom reporting, come with higher tier plans, which can get pricey compared to other options like Zoho Inventory. The third thing you should know is inFlow's user interface. It's relatively intuitive, with a clean dashboard and simple navigation. Compared to other inventory management tools like QuickBooks Commerce, inFlow makes it easier to get started. That said, there can still be a learning curve for new users, especially when setting up complex inventory systems. But once you get the hang of it, it's easy to track your stock, manage orders, and pull reports without too much hassle. Now, let's talk about integrations. inFlow integrates with a variety of platforms, but it's not as extensive as some of its competitors. While it works with tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, and QuickBooks, it doesn't have native integrations with as many third-party apps as some other solutions. This is something to keep in mind if you're already using a specific software stack that inFlow doesn't support. If you rely on seamless integrations, other tools like TradeGecko or Lightspeed might offer more options. The fifth thing you should know is inFlow's mobile app. If you're someone who needs to access your inventory while on the go, the inFlow mobile app is a solid option. It allows you to view your inventory, create orders, and track shipments directly from your phone. However, it's not as polished as some competitors' apps, and users have reported occasional glitches. That said, for small to medium-sized businesses, it's a useful feature, especially for managing inventory in the field or at multiple locations. Next, you'll want to consider inFlow's customer support. inFlow offers customer support through email, live chat, and phone, but their response times can vary. For simpler issues, their online knowledge base is helpful, but more complex problems may take longer to resolve. This is something to keep in mind when comparing to other platforms like TradeGecko or QuickBooks, which tend to offer more robust support systems, including 24/7 assistance in some cases. And lastly, let's discuss inFlow's reporting features. While inFlow does provide a variety of reports that help you analyze your sales, stock, and orders, it doesn't offer the same level of customization as some higher-end inventory management solutions. If you need detailed custom reports for financial forecasting or deep data insights, you might find inFlow's capabilities somewhat limited. Competitors like NetSuite and Lightspeed excel in this area, providing more comprehensive reporting and business intelligence tools. So if you want to try out inFlow for yourself and see if it's a good fit for your business, make sure to click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best free trial available, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits to help you get started.